Everything you need to know about the Vogue series of backpacks from Velocity with us at Data Power Tools. The Vogue is available in two sizes, the 45 litre, which I have here today, and the 50 litre. It's available in three separate colourways, the Stealth Black, the Luminous Orange, or the Ranger Green. Starting off at the bottom of the backpack, we've got a hard PVC moulded bottom, meaning you can set this down anywhere in the job site, wet or dry, and your tools are going to be sound. Marine grade rivets throughout the bag, YKK zips, they're an industry leading zip, very robust, very strong. A PVA outer for added storage. This backpack comes with 29 internal and external pockets, giving you bags and bags of room inside and out. Some zip pockets and extra storage for all you electricians and plumbers. It's made of a 900 denier fabric, meaning it's extremely robust, extremely reliable, and will take an absolute hammering. Coming around to the back, on about the 29 pockets, inside and out. This will also fit up to a 14-inch laptop or tablet, and has a removable tool pouch. So if you are pinched for a bit of extra room, you can get that in the back panel. This is the FIDLOCK system that locks onto the back with a magnet. So when the bag is fully loaded, it takes strain off the stitching on the back and puts it onto the whole backpack. It's got a thermoformed backer and carry handles, giving you added breathability and comfort if you're commuting in this backpack, like some people will be. On the front, you've got a 150 lumen V-light with 3 different modes: steady, flashing, and red. This has been the Velocity Vogue series backpacks from Data Power Tools. They're available in store and on our website, datapowertools.co.uk.